I'm Vaidehi. I have brought my daughter for treatment in Megamind. She is having a problem of dyslexia. She is highly dyslexic and she will not be able to write. That is the main problem.
Supraja came to us last month and her mother was really worried about her. This is in the month of November 2014 and she was not able to function independently. She was a very angry child. She had had seizures, she had a lot of digestion problems. She was mentally challenged, learning was a major issue. Uh, Everything appeared to be in a situation where things were not really going well. So they wanted to start as early as possible, and the mother was retiring on the 1st of December. She had taken voluntary retirement, and she said, I would like to start as early as possible. So we started the intensive on 21st of December. Today is 30th of December.
Other than that, she used to get hangers so fast, but it will stay for 1 or 2 minutes only. In a day, at least 2 to 3 times. Very rarely she will have abusing language. Actually, main area of our concentration to bring it down. She has finished her graduation and she also goes for vocational courses like Veena and music, other things. And at present, I just after hearing about this Megamind, after going through the net and all that, I have brought her here. Initially, when assessment was there, the sir was able to explain what it is and how they are proceeding with the procedure, which will alter her mindset. Then we had this 10 days intensive program. During the intensive program itself, I started finding she became quiet and also she is not having the abusing language at all. She is responding.
The changes that a 23-year-old female has undergone in these 10 days is nothing short of unbelievable for any one of us. None of us believed that this could be achieved. Her anger has completely dissipated. She is now starting to voluntarily play the veena which she used to. Previously she knew many languages. Now she is beginning to talk in both Tamil, English and Hindi. She has picked up her books after more than 8 years and wants to learn. The motivation that she is showing is completely internal. There is no force from us. We are not asking her to do anything. It only goes to show that the brain always wants to normalize. Even at 23, while most people consider it a very old age to start training the brain, here is a child who has moved from almost no engagement with the world, wanting to just sit and watch probably some serials or songs on TV, to completely engaging with whatever is her responsibility is nothing short of amazing. Our mother is very happy with the changes and we hope to get her as close to normal as possible.
How I can explain is, whenever she gets anger also, that is not even staying for 2 to 3 seconds. Immediately she is saying, and she is committing herself, I'm sorry mom, I should not have talked to you like this. This is a very big improvement I'm seeing in her. Also she is quiet and she is sleeping well nowadays. This is another progress I'm seeing in her. And then bringing down her anger itself, I'm feeling I'm quite satisfied to that extent. And other areas, she likes to do studies, pursue her studies. But I don't know whether she'll be able to take it up right now immediately. Anyway, I'm proceeding with another 6 months course. During that time, I just feel she'll be having a better changes. I hope for the best. Thank you very much.